Another small fight. I've actually had to reload this at least once so far, so I figured I'd show it off. Once again, same opening as my other video. You'll notice that this is my main stack, and I've got my secondary goblins here. I hired the shaman right away. Probably shouldn't have done that, but whatever. I've got my tier 2 cutthroat, my tier 2 alchemist minion, my shaman, and then my little goblin buddy. And I'm trying to take this out now. It's maybe a little bit greedy. My last time I lost him, I'd be willing to lose one of these. Losing him is pretty brutal, though, because even though he costs upkeep, he's a tier 2 unit. So let's see if I can pull this off. Again, if you auto battle it, you might get out without taking any battle, or any damage. There's a quick save now, I believe. I haven't been using it because I forgot about it, but you know. So totally different map than the last time. Last one had it was like some walls, and there were some trees over here. I tried going through the trees, and it was pretty successful, but they just barely killed my cutthroats. I could have rationed him, and I should have rationed him, and I didn't. So that goes to show that, especially on these harder difficulties, you've really got to use your resources. Because if you don't, well, you'll just lose. Wait, what does Fairy Grass do? Ooh, +3 speed. That would be 3 more hexes. 1, 2, 3. Well, he's blocking there. You're there. So the big thing is these hunters. They do a lot of damage, and you want to try and have some form of cover or line of sight blocker. And I might go this side of the map rather than approaching here, force them to engage me over here, because I think, yeah, I gotta say, I hate my options. It's like if I run up and just attack with him, try to get through here, he's going to get destroyed. This guy's going to murder him, and then he's going to follow up, and he's going to fall off, and he's just dead. So I definitely want to try and make sure they can't do that. So we'll look and see where their attack range is. Yeah, out to there. So can you stand on that rock? Cool, stand on that rock. And you go stand next to him. Part of the problem before also is I split my forces, and, well, I didn't split them, but they weren't quite as close together as they should have been. And I think that also prevented some damage I could have dealt. So patience is a virtue. And as you can see, this is on balance, mind you. This is not on easy. They have kind of messed up. I can't quite get to them. That's interesting. So this space is really dangerous because if I stand here, both of them can hit me. So I think he goes here, and then the goblin goes probably here. Does the goblin need a heal is the question. Let's see what you can do. Can you hit anyone? You could. Can you hit anyone? Not with great vision. Unfortunate. Where's your green? Okay, so you can still get a double green. So I think that's definitely happening. Yeah, that will get him quite low. You're going to come in and do that. This guy is flanking. I don't believe it's going to be super useful this run, but I can obviously see a route around here. I don't think I can afford to do that, though, because if I don't go here, this guy's going to run in, and this dude's going to get attacked by all 3 of them. So let's see if I regret this. I probably should have rationed him. That's what I should have done. I didn't, so what we're going to do instead... Oh, do I want the damage? Because he first strikes, so it would actually reduce the number of retaliations he takes. Can you survive? What's the assumed damage? Oh, yeah, he'll live, so we'll try it. And then, yeah, we just end turn, put our guys in... Oh, yeah, okay, he's already in guard. I was really worried there. Yep, so they kill him on the first strike. He only takes 1 hit. The goblin gets wrecked. But now, this is a much better setup than my last one. That guy engages there. That's not a great shot, but this is... I don't even need to do that, I think. 1, 2... And then, yeah, I think you just take the kill here, and I'm not even going to risk him. I'm going to run him back behind some cover of some sort so that this guy can't get some weird shot off. Get the attack of opportunity. Yep. Like I said, he ran away, but we're okay, because now we can snake over here. I can't hit him, but it doesn't matter. You will just heal him so he's healed on the world map, and you're going to come in and get the best shot you can. Cool. Hi. You die now. So yeah, again, especially on balanced, strategy matters. I could have just charged in and defended up, and I would have been eaten alive. I would have at least lost 1 unit, maybe 2. And, on my last fight, I did not do so well. Had some strategy, but didn't quite execute right, and lost a unit. And again, I could have used a ration to save the unit, but I didn't. Just like in this one, I probably should have used a ration for some safety. Maybe not. I probably should have checked the damage more. Let's just quickly show off the level ups. I think health is greater than speed, especially on these guys. Health is greater than speed, especially on these guys. And, oh, quick reflexes is always an insta-take for me. Missile reduction is just crazy good on them. So yeah, again, keeping these ones short, because the whole point of this is to just test some things. I will be continuing the other main run once I know exactly what I want to do with it. But yeah, that's all.